In this video, I will show you how to create a custom professional-grade expense tracker application on Base44. Let's get started. I begin by typing a detailed prompt for a premium financial expense tracker into the main builder. I specify a dark obsidian theme, rounded car designs, an interactive monthly spending bar chart, and a clean itemized transaction list. After I submit this request, I review the structural breakdown provided by the AI, which outlines the pages, components, and layout I need. Satisfied with the plan, I confirm the build to let the platform generate all these elements in parallel. Once the process finishes, I jump straight into the dashboard to explore the results. My app is now fully functional, featuring a sleek interface that displays my total spending for the month, a percentage-based comparison to previous periods, and a visual breakdown of my costs. The dashboard also includes a responsive bar chart and a well-organized list of recent expenses. Finally, I move to the publishing settings to make my app live. I set the visibility to public, confirm the deployment, and copy the shareable link. With just a few clicks, I have successfully built and deployed a sophisticated financial tool that is ready to use immediately. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.